Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up lost reasons in Pipedrive CRM. This feature allows you to track why deals didn't close, giving you valuable insights into where your sales process might need improvement. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your login details ready, as you'll need administrative access to configure these settings. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Company Settings. This is where you'll find all the administrative controls and customization options for your Pipedrive account. Once you're in the Company Settings area, look at the left side panel. You'll see various categories listed under the General section. Among these options, locate and click on Lost Reasons. This section is specifically designed to help you define and manage the reasons why deals might fall through in your sales pipeline. Now, you'll see an option to add lost reasons. Click on it to begin creating your custom lost reasons. This is where you'll define the specific categories that make sense for your business, whether it's budget constraints, timing issues, or competitor wins. In the text field that appears, type in your first lost reasons. Make it clear and specific so your team can easily identify and select the right reason when marking a deal as lost. Once you've entered the reason, click Save to add it to your list. You'll want to repeat this process for each lost reason you need to track. Think through the common scenarios where deals don't close in your sales process and create a comprehensive list that covers all the major reasons. This might take a few minutes, but having a well-defined list will provide much more useful data for analysis later. After you've added all your lost reasons, look over to the right side of the screen. Here you'll notice an option labeled Allow Free-Form Reasons. This is an important feature that adds flexibility to your lost reason tracking. Go ahead and enable this toggle. By turning this on, you're allowing your team members to type any custom reason when marking a deal as lost, even if it's not in your predefined list. This ensures that unique or unexpected situations can still be documented accurately. And there you have it, you've successfully configured lost reasons in Pipedrive, giving your team a structured way to track why deals don't close while maintaining the flexibility to capture unique situations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.